What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the coolest product of the summer. You will want this product. This is a misting fan, not just any old fan, a misting fan. Alright, so this is 24 volts battery. If you have kids and they doing soccer practice, soccer games, or football practice, football games, you at the beach, or you just outside on your deck or your patio, and it's 90 degrees, this is probably the best tool or product in your arsenal. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Done. Unboxing is done. I have already did the unboxing on this. Unfortunately, the microchip that I had got corrupted, and I already did the test on this, but for now I am going to go over it again. So this is once again a misting fan. We have two misters here. Got mist here, it blows out mist there. Got the fan blade, and the blade has teeth on it. We have three settings. So for the fan is 1, 2, 3. For the mist is 1. Don't want to mess up the camera. Oh wait, well, sorry, can't do the mist right now until I have it in the bucket. Duh. Alright, so y'all get the point on that. This do come with the battery and the charger. I got this for $120 or something like that. I think it's on sale now for like $100, depending on your lows. But anyways, this is where the battery goes, right in the back, right here. So you take that back piece off, squeeze the sides, which is pretty cool. Pull it on out. I'll go over the rest in a little bit. Let me go ahead and put it in the bucket so y'all can see the mist. Alright, you guys, so I filled the bucket up. Now, this is a filter right here, just in case anybody need to know. You can take it off and you can clean it in case it gets dirty. Alright, you have sand that gets in buckets, dirt, algae if you leave your bucket dirty for a long time, which you shouldn't, and all types of other stuff. So this is a filter. You can take it off and you can clean it. Right, we dump it in. I filled the bucket up too much, but it'll be okay. Alright, goes right on top of the bucket. As you can see, it twists. That's on level 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the misting button. Now it might take a while for the water to come through the tube because you have air. Yeah, you see that? I don't know if y'all can see the misting too good, but it is misting. And that's a level 1. Now I'm gonna be honest, you could leave it on level 1 and you will get a good amount of mist. Level 2, level 3. Now I know you can see the mist even more now, and it's also hitting me. So y'all see the mist going out, and this is really cool mist right here. This goes from 15 degrees to 45 degrees. Alright, right there, and then like that. Your nozzles here may clog up or could clog up, so a good way to clean the nozzles, which are these, are you have to take this cap off right here. You take this cap and you got to rotate it in a counterclockwise position. In case your nozzles clog up here, I will take a photo of the troubleshooting that you need to do. But yeah, so you have a clog that could happen here with your nozzles, and you also can have a blockage on your filter, which is connected to your hose. So if you have those type of issues, make sure you troubleshoot. And that's about it with the misting fan. It's not too much to this fan. It's not too much to fans, period, but I'll turn the mist on. Alright you guys, so if you want to know the CFM, the maximum airflow, it is 800. Okay, and the water flow is 1.5, which is the lowest. If you have it on medium, it's 1.7, and if you have it on high, it's 2.0. Alright, gallons per hour. The fan blade is 7 inches and the hose length is 30 inches long. And there you have it. I have it on low and it is misting out and the battery is dead. Alright you guys, so I had been using this and abusing this thing for the past month now, and I'm gonna be honest, this is the best product of the summer. You should go and get yourself one. No, I am not being paid. I don't have no sponsorships with anybody. I am giving you my honest opinion as far as misting fans go, and this is my first one and definitely may not be my last one. Alright, I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you have any other questions, comments, and concerns, please put it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I got more cool products coming, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Later.